Alright, this is a no-brainer for anybody. I go ahead and I set my table saw up to be the height that my boxes are supposed to be here. Go ahead and set yourself up with the wood nearby, and we go ahead and we just start milling through it all. Now again, I'm having to do this one-handed, so it's not going to look as pretty or as quick. Set that there, have yourself a bucket for scraps. If I ever have a scrap like that, that goes in the wood burning stove and warms my shop. Alright, you get the idea, but you can go through a lot of wood here in a short amount of time if you just have your shop set up this way.